Alright. What's up, everybody? Lord Artec here today. Got back from the pre-release. Got us some Journey to the Nyx. Here we go. 4 packs. Went 2-1. They had a technical glitch, and they gave everybody packs. I ended up finishing 6 out of 30. So, can't complain. Good or bad. So, have to bear with me. I'm on the webcam, so let me just zoom it in a little more here and bear with me. So, get this show on the road. Oops. I don't want to see that. So. Alright. Here we go. Away we go. I'll do my best here. So, alright. Bring it like close to the webcam so everybody can see, so you have to bear with me here. Got a pensive Minotaur. Bring it over this way a little more. Our Crow and Mastiff. Nature's Panoply. We got a Nyx Infusion. God Hunter Octopus. Let's look at Skink. We got a Starfish. Desecration Plague. Got a Starfall. Cast in the Darkness. Skyscraper Cavalry. Tormented Thoughts. Deserter's Quarters. Dictate of Heliod is my rare. And an island. A bird token. Pack 1 down. Alright. Pack 2. Also on my video camera, but assuming my girlfriend took it with her for some reason. Okay. Font of Vigor. Crucix Insight. Freak is Chosen. Countermand. Lightning Diadem. Eagle of the Watch. Supply Line Cranes. Rise of Eagles. That's me. Haha. Satyr Grove Dancer. Fontavar. Riddle of Lightning. Triton Cavalry. Agent of Erebos. That's nice. That looks really nice in foil. And our rare is Battlefield of Thermage, Human Wizard. Each wizard and sorcery cast costs 1 less to cast each creature targets. Heroic ability. Whenever you cast a spell that targets Battlefield Thermage, whatever. Battlefield Thermage gains hexproof until end of turn. Mountain. And other junk. Okay, 0 for 2. I will tell you at the point of pre-release, I did see people pull Johnny's and Theroses, and so I pulled the foil Red Blue God. It wasn't me. Alright. So, okay. Font Fortunes. We're just going to go right to the uncommons. Okay. Okay. Consign to Dust. Chariot of Victory. Pull from the Deep. And our rare is Hypnotic Siren. 1 drop for a 1/1. Bestow 5. Flying control creature gets 1/1 and bestow. Forest. Now. I'm gonna get skunked on these packs too, I guess. Alright. Last pack. I'm gonna go right to the comments here, bear with me. Okay. Got a Armory of Iris. Whitewater Nades. Leon Ioncast class. And a rare is a Spawn of Thaxis. 7 drop creature 5/5 flying dragon. Whenever it's the battlefield, it deals Damage to the target number of creature or player mount you control. So, pretty cool looking theater token now. So, alright, folks, let me sit back here real quick here. I just want to thank everybody real quick, and I'll catch you later.